What if I told you that luxury isn't about spending more? It's about using less, but better? Have you ever walked into a space that just feels expensive, even though it's not filled with flashy items? There's a reason why. Today, I am revealing 10 powerful, psychologically backed tricks that will make your home look high end without breaking the bank. And trust me, point 7 is a total game changer. So watch all the way point 7 because you're going to learn something amazing. Plus, I have a fun challenge for you. Comment below which trick you're already doing and which one you're trying next. Ready? Let's go. Let's play a little game. Close your eyes unless you're driving or cooking and picture the most luxurious space you've ever seen. Got it? Now, was it cluttered? Of course no. Probably clean, open, and calm, right? Here's why. Our brains love order. Clutter overwhelms us and makes even beautiful things look cheap. So, start with this simple trick. Remove just 5 random things from your space right now. Trust me, you'll feel the difference instantly. Pro tip: use the one in, one out rule. For every new decor item, remove an old one. Hidden storage is your best friend. Baskets, ottomans, and stylish boxes keep the mess out of your sight. Question for you: what is one thing in your home you know you need to get rid of but keep holding on to it? Let's be honest in the comment section. Okay, pop quiz. Would you rather have 10 plastic chairs or one stunning, well-made chair that everyone compliments you? Exactly. Luxury isn't about how much you have, it's about what you choose to keep. Instead of filling every inch with random things, focus on a few intentional quality pieces. Pro tip: instead of 10 tiny decorations, invest in 1 or 2 statement pieces, a sculptural vase, a quality throw blanket, or sleek lamp. Test this. Remove one unnecessary piece of furniture from your space. Feel the difference? It's magic. Okay, let's do a fun experiment. Look around your space. How many colors do you see? Now, imagine if you swapped the bright, chaotic ones for calming neutrals. Beige, warm whites, soft grays. Doesn't that feel instantly luxurious? Neutral tones make a space feel bigger, cleaner, and more expensive. That's why high-end hotels use them. But don't worry, I am not saying everything should be beige. Just choose bold colors strategically, like an accent pillow or a statement chair or even an accent wall. That is perfectly fine. Pro tip: test out a neutral backdrop like walls and furniture and bring color in with art, rugs, and small decor for balance. Want to feel like you live in a 5-star hotel? Try warm toned lights and soft beige curtains. You will thank me later. Alright, imagine this. You walk into a room that's dim and shadowy. Feels kinda dull, right? Now, picture a bright, airy room with a natural light flooding in. Feels like $1,000,000, right? Luxury spaces feel often open and bright, and this is because if your room is feeling gloomy, ditch the heavy curtains and let that sunlight in. If natural light is limited, use mirrors, place one opposite a window, and boom, your space just doubled. Pro tip: use sheer curtains instead of blackout ones to let in soft daylight. Try smart, warm LED bulbs for a cozy hotel-like glow at night. Ever noticed how luxury spaces feel so inviting? That's because they mix different textures to create depth and warmth. A simple couch, meh, but add a velvet cushion, a chunky knit throw, and a textured rug, instant luxury, right? So pro tip: mix smooth and rough textures like linen beddings with a soft fox fur pillow. Try layering rugs, a neutral base with a smaller patterned one for an expensive look. Want to fake luxury on a budget? Add gold, brass, or metallic accents. They instantly elevate your space. Start small, Swap plastic knobs for brass handles or add a metallic framed mirror, instant glow up. So pro tip, stick to 1 or 2 metallic tones to keep it cohesive. Even small touches like a gold picture frame or a metallic lamp make a big impact. Here is a weird but true fact. The most expensive homes always smell amazing. Scent is linked to memories, and a beautiful smelling home instantly feels expensive. Try vanilla, sandalwood, or fresh linen scents. Bonus, your guests will always assume you have your life put together, even if you don't. Ever wondered why some spaces feel expensive even when they're small? It's all about layout. Designers don't push furniture against walls. They create intentional, cozy setups. Pro tip, float furniture away from the walls to create natural flow. Use symmetry, matching lamps, paired chairs to add balance and elegance. So now you know how to make your home feel expensive without overspending. Which trick are you excited to try first? Tell me in the comments, and if you want more home hacks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Happy decorating. Bye.